Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Jquery and REST API to get the current logged in username. So many times in organizations when we work, on our SharePoint environment, we have requirements to extract the current username so that we can use it, let's say in a web part or in a page to display some information, and sometimes some contents you want to filter. So there could be multiple scenarios where you actually need to do this. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can actually achieve this. So right now you see a blank page I have created, but actually it's not. Let me show you what it is. Right now I just refresh the page. See what it does, it gives you the email address of the person who is logged in, so it's mine. So I have written the script like that. You can just modify it or you can use it for any purpose. Let me show you how it actually works. Right now I'm editing the page. I'm going to show you the script editor web part where I have embedded the script so that you can take a look and find out what exactly is being done over there. So let me click on edit snippet. Alright. First of all, what I did is I downloaded the jQuery file and I saved it into my site, and that I'm referring over here, you can see. Then again I am starting a JavaScript here. Okay. Now when this function ready is called of jQuery, I'm going for this function get user where I'm gonna use the current user ID. As current user ID, I'm like this variable I'm setting using page context info.user ID. So this will give you a number, user ID with reference to the sites all people list. So that's what. So here I am taking the web URL and then I'm formatting it like I'm using REST API get user by ID, and then I'm passing the ID as server URL I'm using, and then I'm using this get function here, and this is not important. This I just did for debugging purpose. And once the result is out, and I'm alerting that here like I'm splitting, and then I'm taking the email address out, and that I'm uh, alerting like a text box. But yes, the same information you can use for any other purpose you want. So that's how very simply I have made this script, and you can see how it's working. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and please support my channel by subscribing, liking and sharing this video. And if there's anything that you want to see more, anything that is in your mind, or if you want to improve, please, I'm always ready for your feedbacks and suggestions. Put them. Thank you.